3 reasons why your health insurance deserves better than Healthcare.gov. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey Jingola with Jingola Insurance, and on today's health insurance break, well, I'm going to tell you exactly why your health insurance can do a lot better than just Healthcare.gov. So with Obamacare, or the Affordable Care Act, healthcare reform officially underway and open enrollment in, well, full swing, I'll use that term loosely right now, a ton of media outlets, whether it's on the news or in the paper or on the radio, they're all pointing you to the one mecca of sorts for your health insurance information, and that's Healthcare.gov. Sure, Healthcare.gov is the absolute best place for you to go to learn, understand, and figure out what, when, and where healthcare reform can do for you. Obviously, they should know more about it than anybody. But what scares me to death is that they're actually telling you to go there for health insurance advice and guidance. And yikes, that's a bad idea. So I thought I would just kind of break down 3 reasons that you probably want to do a little bit better for yourself and your health insurance than just simply blindly going to healthcare.gov. Number 1, limited choice. Like a lot of promises made, the marketplace was supposed to increase competition. In reality, it's actually decreased it since there are several major health insurance companies in Ohio who are not participating within the marketplace. That means that if you go to just healthcare.gov, you will not be able to purchase health insurance plans from those companies. 2 of those biggest companies are Aetna and United Health One. I mean, just the absence of those 2 companies alone greatly limits your choice. Just a quick disclaimer note, please pay attention to this section. If you qualify for any sort of substantial amount of tax subsidies or credits, there will not be any amount of choice that will make you purchase your health insurance elsewhere. Probably almost always 100% buy from the marketplace if that subsidy is of any consequence to you. Number 2, lack of experienced guidance. Like it or not, there are a ton of moving parts to your health insurance decision right now, probably more so than ever. Expecting you to complete this process from start to finish without having just a slightly informed conversation is kind of disrespectful to you. Worst part is you won't know you made a bad health insurance decision until your bank account tells you you did. The best way to do that is to have an informed conversation to know exactly what you're buying and how to use it properly. And number 3, this one's my favorite, limited information. I'm not trying to pick on the new kid in class here. However, like I stated before, healthcare.gov is great for everything related to the Affordable Care Act and how it can work for you. But what it doesn't know a thing about is health insurance and how to help you pick a plan that's right for you in your state. Mine happens to be Ohio, so that's definitely what I know about, and I know there are a ton of differences that are coming that you have no idea of. So since the marketplaces were down and they had a nice little 1-800 number, I decided to go ahead and call into the marketplace to see exactly what they were going to be able to do for me to help me out of this situation. You can read the entire transcript of that conversation if you click on the link below to the blog post that I have attached with this. Basically, what I was told is that that person can only help me input my information to apply for a plan. That's it. That's the only thing they can help you with. They can't help you look at plans if the marketplace is down. They can't help you understand the plans. They can't really tell you much of anything outside of taking your name and your phone number and your address and maybe sending you some information in the mail. That's it. They can't even tell you what to do or where to go if you do need that help. Basically, they're saying, screw it. Just go ahead, throw some darts at the wall, pick whichever plan you think might work best for you, and we'll call it a day. Everyone good? Good? Yeah? Okay? All right. High five, let's go home. And that's why I had to tell you that you deserve a little bit better. You know that friend that is always in that just troublesome, abusive relationship, and you got to hear about him, complain about it incessantly, and you really just want to take, the back of your hand to him if you could. Well, that's kind of what I'm doing right now for any of you out there who are potentially entering in that abusive relationship. Just really prevent you from ending up in the, battered health insurance victim shelter or whatever. Well, so you're probably yelling at me, well then, Mr. Fancy tie-wearing and health insurance guy, what should I be doing? I don't want you to take this the wrong way, but I can do everything that healthcare.gov representative can do, plus more and a whole lot of other things. That's what is frustrating about this entire process, is that everyone's passing around this basic information of what the law is and what it does and where you can go, but nothing to say about how to make an informed decision and prevent yourself from picking a plan that's going to potentially cost you more than it's worth. But you can get this help from any licensed health insurance agent in your state. assuming they took the time to be certified in the marketplace and have kept up on the law and everything that it can and cannot do for you. So the bottom line, well, I'm just tired of them making it sound like it's as easy as booking a hotel room for $79 a night at the Holiday Inn Express. Ask yourself this one question. How long did it take you to buy your first house or your second house or whatever house? How long did it take you to buy your last car? Even a TV, for God's sakes. How long did it take you to do that? I'm guessing you spent more than 30 minutes on every single one of those purchases. To be honest, none of them have the financial impact that a potential serious, devastating medical bill could have on you if you end up in the wrong place at the wrong time. Except for the house thing. The house, that's a pretty big deal. I mean, it's the amount of money associated with your health insurance and your medical bills is as great or severe as all of those major purchases that you make throughout your life. So go ahead, give it the time and respect it deserves, and just have a 30-minute conversation with. If you want it to be with me, that'd be great. If you want it to be with somebody else, I don't care. Just talk to somebody that will help you understand these differences and make an informed decision. So, but if you just want even a little bit more information on this topic, I do have an ebook, How to Understand Ohio's Health Insurance Marketplace. You can go ahead and download this very free guide and help you get that extra information that you need about Ohio's marketplace in general. And it's definitely going to walk you through everything that you need to know about these marketplaces. So go ahead, click on this cover of the ebook right now to download that, or you can go ahead, there's also a link below in the video's description. But of course, I am Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance. Take it easy, everyone.